Hello my little loves, and welcome back to the Urban Butchery Channel with me, Franco. Now on today's show we're going to continue with our quadrilogy of butcher's knots, and this is knot number 3. Now this particular knot is very close to my heart because it's something that I actually invented myself, and it's called the Urban Butchery Speed Knot. So without further ado, let's move over to the butcher's kitchen, bottoms up, heads down, let's crack on. So let's get on with the knot. So here we go, we get the point of the string here and we feed that underneath the rolling pin, like so. And then we bring this piece of string over and pick up the other piece of string across our 4 fingers. Bring the knot over, or the string over, place it on top of the other piece of string, and then place your thumb on top of both pieces of string. Now what I want you to do next is these 2 fingers, I want you to bring these back here like that. Okay, so you're just working with these 2 fingers here. I want you to keep this string nice and tight, like in the other videos. Now all I want you to do now is just to turn your hand, and you're going to catch the string in that little crease of your finger there. So turn it nice and slowly, like so. So now you've got 2 fingers through a loop. You can see that. Now with this piece of string here, I want you to bring that up through the loop, like so. And then take your fingers out of the loop and close the knot off, like so. Then placing your right hand or your left hand, whichever way you are orientated, and then bring that down nice and sharp, like so. Now like in the other videos, we're going to do the security knot. So put your string across your palm, like so. Catch this piece of string in this corner here, turn, make a loop, pick up this piece of string with your finger and thumb and pull with your right hand. So that knot is nice and tight. Then we'll take our scissors and snip off. So that's one knot finished. Let me just demonstrate that for you again. So remember, end of the string underneath, bring it over. You've got this piece of string over your 4 fingers, put that piece of string on top of the other piece of string, and then your thumb over both, like so. Then we're going to retract these 2 fingers here, back here, so we're just working with these 2 fingers. We're going to catch this piece of string in that crease of this finger. We're going to keep this string nice and tight with the right hand, and then we're just going to catch that string and turn, like so. So now you've got 2 fingers within the loop. Then we're going to take this piece of string, slide it up through the loop, take your fingers out of the loop and close off. And then set the knot, like so. And then we're going to do our security knot, which is across the thumb, catching this piece of string inside the crease of this little finger here. Turn your hand again, like so. And you made a big loop, pincer movement, finger and thumb, pick up that piece of string and close it off. Cut that off, just tighten that up. This will work a lot easier on meat than it does on a piece of wood. So let me just show you that in real time. So through, bring it over, through, underneath, close off, down we go, security knot, snip, and off. And it's as simple as that. Now, what I'm going to do next, rather than use the rolling pin, I'm going to use something that I actually invented, and it's called the knot block. And this is something that I've used when I've been teaching students, and I'll just use that. So here we are, guys, the knot block. Now you can make one of these at home if you wish. It's really easy. So what we've got a piece of pine or any piece of wood, square piece of wood. We've got two brackets, two pipe brackets. We've got some pipe insulation, and we've just put it through and screwed it to the block. Now this, again, just like the rolling pin, replicates a joint of meat. But with this, it's a little bit more realistic because this actual texture is very similar to a joint. So it's very good for practicing your knots on. And again, underneath, we have some blue tack. And then we're just going to press that onto the block. And then we'll practice the knot again on this. Now this is a bit easier on this, so string underneath. And there you have it. Let me just do that again. So remember, string over, little piece of string, cross your four fingers, piece of string on top of the other piece of string, thumb over, retract these two fingers, catch this string in that crease, turn, and string goes underneath the loop. Set the knot, security knot. And we'll just do one more in real time. So underneath, round, set the knot, you heard that click, and set. Then cut the string. Well then guys, I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I did doing it. And if you did, then please press the subscribe button. And I'll catch you next time on the Urban Butchery Channel. Skills for life.